Hi, Pat here. I got a Project 1 turntable, model DR770. Couldn't find any information on this, but it appears to be well made and it weighs 22 pounds, so it's not lightweight. Let me drop the needle. So it does play well so far. I'm going to tear it down, clean it up, add oil where it needs to be done, and probably clean the slide down here and see what it looks like on the inside. The mat here is not the prettiest. It's not exactly black. This platter comes off. It really is a nice heavy platter. Looks very nice. And looks like right there it says 45 and 33 adjustments. I'm sure that'll come off. There'll be a couple adjustment screws in there for it. Everything looks good underneath here. So all I'm going to do is get rid of the old grease and add some new grease. And I don't see much else I could do underneath here. I got things back together. This mat here, I washed off good. Some hot water and soap. And I took a little Armor All. Wiped some Armor All back to it. And it looks nice and black again. This thing here, I didn't see no glue holding it down. So I guess it's just sitting there. And this pitch control there, I just put a little deoxin fader in there and clean that up. I found out this thing was made by CEC, a big name in turntables. And this was one of their higher end tables. And they put a lot of different names on it for different house brands. But it came out nice. And this table came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.